आहे नाही. प्रवाह 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 ना. योगेशची प्रवाहच आहे ना. प्रवाह
प्रवाह टीम याने नाणेफेक जिंकून प्रथम फलंदाजी करण्याचे निर्णय घेतले. Meanwhile, Raghavendra Shetty and Amol Kadale, please come on the stage and collect your man of the match. अच्छा लेके चले गए. मिला नहीं हमको यार, बुरा लग गया, दिल से बुरा लग गया. बिरयानी कब आएगा? सो जब तक कि मैच नहीं चालू हो रहा है तो थोड़ा लाइट मूवमेंट्स यहां पर. Just hold for a moment. We are doing a scoreboard updation and the ball change. So please wait for some time. Let the game not begin yet. On the count of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let the game begin. Non-striker का नाम क्या है? Yatin is the non-striker. Yatin is the non-striker. Aftab is the striker. नहीं मैं मेरा कब बता रहा हूँ. शर्मा जी के हाथ पर गेंद. So get ready for this exciting battle. Aftab versus Pradeep Sharma. Icon versus Icon. And in the commentary box, we are the business tycoon. So here we go. All set. On the offside, a good ball on the channel of uncertainty by Pradeep Sharma. And that goes for a dot ball. First up, very good bowling. Luring the batsman to drive that ball, but unable to connect that. अगली गेंद बहुत ही अच्छा बॉल वहां पर. Dot ball on the channel once again on the line of uncertainty by Pradeep Sharma. The batsman fails to middle that, and that's another dot ball. 2 balls, 2 dot deliveries. First overs are always crucial. Always the best comes in, and the batting side also sends the best batsman on. So it's always a mouth-watering contest between the two. Let's see what Aftab has in store. This time, plays on the off. On the point region, fielder collects that, and only a single restricts the scoring to 1 run. 3 balls down, 1 for no loss. LSG Sankalp. So LSG Prabha, they won the toss and elected to field first. So really we have seen some low scoring games so far, and also there was a good high scoring game, very first game, where Vivek Singh smashed 5 sixes, huge sixes. Meanwhile, Yatin on strike, left-handed batsman taking guard against Pradeep Sharma. वो बहुत अच्छा बॉल, बहुत ही अच्छा बॉल. यहां पर एक अपील हल्का सा होता हुआ, स्टिफल्ड अपील, बट अंपायर इज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. द बॉल हिट्स ऑन हिज thigh area and popped up to the wicket keeper, and that's been adjudged as not out. हल्की सी अपील की गई थी वहां पर फील्डिंग साइड से. पानी पानी चाहिए. So water for Aftab. Someone please send water. Meanwhile this time बहुत ही अच्छा बॉल वहां पर और अच्छी कलेक्ट बैकवर्ड पॉइंट से restricts the scoring again. Dot ball. We are 5 balls down of the very first over and the score is only 1 without loss. तो अब पानी है उधर, वो लेग अंपायर के वहां पर पानी है, तो प्लीज कोऑर्डिनेट विद द लेग अंपायर एंड गेट द वाटर. Meanwhile, Pradeep Sharma ready for the last ball. He's conceded only 1 run so far. It's been very tidy over by LSG Prabha. बहुत ही अच्छा बॉल, उमदा बॉलिंग बाय प्रदीप शर्मा. Yet another dot ball. Iconic over comes to an end. And LSG Prabha right on top, 1 over, 1 without loss. Excellent bowling over by Pradeep Sharma. Single, and he beat the batsman 5 times. Just imagine the kind of impact that he is carrying for his team. A sure shot contender for a second over, and rightly so. Now comes Amol Makhdoom. This guy is also known for his variations, slow pace. LSG Express, all the way from Rawalpindi. New bowler अमोल मखदूम तेज रफ्तार के गेंदबाज है, आंखों पर हमेशा अंगारे रहते हैं. फील्डर ने थोड़ी सी भी 19-20 की तो फील्डर की 19-20 हो जाती है वहां पर. हैट्रिक के लिए अमोल को अप्पा साहब की तरफ से 501 रुपया, 501, केवल 501 रुपए. संदीप की तरफ से एक बिरयानी. And after listening to these prizes, Amol going to Mela. Very first ball, that's pulled on the long off region. 4 runs, 1 bounce. Very well pulled by Aftab. Aftab was trying to middle connect, but he was not able to do so in the bowling of Pradeep Sharma. This over, he got the very first ball right on the middle of the bat, pulled it over the long off region for a boundary. Handsomely driven by him. Next ball, that one on the body blow. It's a single. Excellent comeback by Amol Makhdoom. He's known for these kind of variations. He'll not bowl you on the same area where you hit him before. He'll keep testing you. So you need to be on the top of your game whenever you are facing Amol Makhdoom. He'll pitch the ball in different areas. The kind of varieties that he's got up his sleeves is mind-blowing. Terrific bowler. Amol Makhdoom to Yatin. We'll have to see how the left-hander plays him. So meanwhile, Amol Makhdoom setting some field adjustments because we have a left-hand, right-hand combination right on the middle. अच्छा इनका कैप्टन कौन है भाई दिव्या? योगेश ही है, ओनर इज द कैप्टन। यहाँ पर एलएसजी प्रवाह के कप्तान योगेश हैं, गंगाधरी शक्तिमान है यहाँ पर। So let's see. Fantastic ball this time, and that missed the keeper. Oh, that was really a shy from the keeper's end. Meanwhile, we have to see that's a call of wide by umpire. So an extras coming in. But to a moment, I thought that it was a legitimate delivery, but no, umpire says that it's a wide. One bounce की wide दी है. It's a wide and one bounce warning. It's a wide and one bounce warning. So definitely there's an extras. For a moment it looked like it's a legitimate delivery, but not to be. Plus there was a shy at keeper's end. So these are a couple of crucial moments of the game where, you know, it takes the game and the momentum away. But nonetheless, when you are a champion player, you always have avenues to bounce back. And this time, scooped up high in the air. Let's see. And that's gone. Daylight between the hands. And a chance goes begging. A big fish goes begging there. A big chance off caught is gone. And LSG Pravah, they floor one easy opportunity. It was a very good ball. He made it difficult for Aftab to hit it, and Aftab top edged that delivery. Unfortunately, the fielder couldn't connect that ball, and it results into a life for Aftab. So यहाँ पर आफ्ताब को जीवन दान मिलता हुआ. And once again, this time is pushed a bouncer and a wide ball by the umpire. Wide ball called by the umpire. And it's a no ball. It's a no ball called by the umpire. But in either ways, there is an extras. Oh, that's a free hit. Free hit as it's a no ball. Okay, because we already had seen one bounce from Amol in this over. So there was a call of a one bounce warning. And now it's a second bounce, which resulted into a no ball. So it's a free hit. So as I was saying, it was really unfortunate for Amol to not get that wicket of Aftab, which can be crucial in Sankalp scoring. Mind you, LSG Pravah has 3 good overs. It can be either of Amol and Pradeep Sharma bowling 2 and 1. This time, there is a slight edge, and that's a dot ball. It's a dot ball. 4 balls ball. 10 runs. 1.4 overs, 10 without loss. For a moment, it seemed like there is some kind of a nick, but no, it is not to be. As umpire says, it's a dot ball, not a wicket. उठा के खेलने की कोशिश यहां पर स्ट्रेट शॉट लॉन्ग ऑन पर और यहां पर सफलतापूर्वक और यहां पर पहला विकेट का पतन होता हुआ रनआउट के तौर पर. इट वाज रियली harakiri done by the batsman over there. Chandrakant is the batsman. He's at the non-striker's end. And on strike is Aftab, facing none other than the express bowler Pradeep Sharma. पहला गेंद खेल दिया है और यहां पर देखना होगा, ओ यहां पर एक मिसफील्ड, या नहीं तो यहां पर एक अवसर बन सकता था. या ओवर के बाद करो, क्योंकि आप है ना विकेट गिरना तुरंत प्ले करेगा ना, इधर मैं बात नहीं कर पाएगा. यहां पर स्ट्रेट शॉट खेल दिया है लॉन्ग ऑफ पर, दौड़कर फील्डर आते हुए, एंड वील हैव टू सी ओनली अ सिंगल. जस्ट होल्ड फॉर अ मिनट, स्कोरर्स आर डूइंग सम अपडेट, प्लीज डोंट बॉल येट. कितना बॉल हो गया? नहीं, वो तुम लोग ने स्कोरिंग ये नहीं किया. अभी क्या करना? जस्ट होल्ड ऑन फॉर अ मिनट, देयर इज अ अपडेट हियर. अमोल मखदूम का एक बॉल बाकी है ओवर का. तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं यार? Aftab and Chandrakant Salunke. Salunke on strike. Chandrakant Salunke is a good batsman. And Aftab will be on the non-striking end. Let's see. Pradeep Sharma to Salunke. This time on the leg side. This time adjudged to be a white ball. White ball called by the umpire. Umpire none other than Abhishek. White. और यहां पर पायाजित कर दिया था. यहां पर एक रन मिलेगा. तो हमारे टर्फ क्रिकेट ग्राउंड के बाजू में बालचंद्र जी हैं, तो प्लीज स्टेज पर आ जाइएगा. A humble request by the LSG cricket team players, team members. बालचंद्र जी आ जाइएगा ऑन द स्टेज. Meanwhile, Pradeep Sharma to Aftab. Slightly slower, and this time he's pulled that one up, and there she goes for a huge six. Aftab. ओवर के बाद करना. And this time that's hiked again. Let's see what's going on. Oh, once again it was a difficult one, no doubt about that. But nonetheless, another chance goes down. Two chances dropped today by LSG Prava. Aftab once again getting a life. Aftab living on the sword, but nonetheless he has converted a big six, which we saw just a ball previous to this one. but this one he again skied it, and the fielder unfortunately couldn't get hold of that. और ये बार लेग साइड पर डाल दिया है, वाइट बॉल का इशारा अभिषेक द अंपायर. No scope of any error on adjudging that as a white ball. एंड सलाह मशवरा होता हुआ अमोल और प्रदीप के बीच में. दोनों ही दिग्गज बॉलिंग करते हैं, दोनों ही दिग्गज गोलंदाज है अपनी टीम के लिए. टीम के माध्यम से 23 is the score. 23. We are in the third over. This time drives it on the offside. A good shot, powerful shot, but that's well fielded as well. Only a single. Nothing much, nothing more for Sankalp. Only a single. Manas, the fielder, collecting it proactively and restricts the scoring to only one run on the long off region. So as we keep on seeing the scoreboard, this is the third over. End of 3 overs. The score is 24 runs. 3 overs, 24 for 1 wicket. That is what the equation right now stands on. And they have another 3 overs to go. So Pradeep has bowled 2 overs. It means that LSG Prava will have to get 3 new bowlers. And that's what we have to see, whether Sankalp will bank on these 3 overs and try to score big. Any score beyond 50 will be a challenging ask if your bowler is good. 24, 24 run. 24 run पे 1 wicket. On strike, Aftab. And the bowler name? Saurabh is the bowler. Saurabh. Catches win matches. That's something which a legendary once said. And LSG Prava today dropped 2 big catches. And all those 2 catches were of none other than the man on strike, Aftab. How costly will that prove? Something we have to see. Already Aftab hoiked one on the long on for a huge 6 of Pradeep Sharma last over. This time keeps it straight, and Aftab wanted to hit that out of the park, but unfortunately couldn't middle that, and only a single. Yogesh on the square leg region collects that and throws it back to the bowler. Meanwhile, Saurabh to Salunke, and this time connects that well. The fielder couldn't do much on that. The ball rolls over the rope for a boundary. One accelerating for Sankalp. They were quiet in the first over. Some runs came in the second, and in the third over we saw a gigantic 6 by Aftab. Now slowly they are picking up the momentum, which is a good sign for LSG Sankalp. If they keep on accelerating like this, I think 50 to 60 runs is not far away, and that can be a good total to defend. The projected total is 52. जैसे हमारे एक्सपर्ट बोल रहे हैं गोपाल, द स्कोरर एंड स्टैटिस्टिशियन फॉर दिस मैच टुडे. अभी 29. Scoreboard reads 29 for 1. This time on the offside, well driven there by Salunke, and only a single there. डीप मिड ऑफ से फील्डर आते हुए 1 रन ही मिलेगा, ज्यादा रन नहीं, ज्यादा रन की गुंजाइश नहीं हो सकती. नाउ द मैन ऑन स्ट्राइक इज आफ्ताब. And once again, and oh, Yogesh almost had his. And this time Yogesh recovers well in time to get that run out, throws it back to the bowler, and bowler whips the base. Yes, no, and Aftab wanted to hit that and he did a big swing. The ball just went till Yogesh. The ball dropped. Once again a catch was dropped, but Yogesh recovered well in time and threw the ball back at the non-striker's end. The non-striker bowler collects the ball, whips the bail off, and that's a run out. Unfortunate circumstance, but Chandrakant Salunke has to walk back. Now, the brothers in the middle, Ashkan Jamadar and Aftab Jamadar, both the brothers who are known to make merry and beat the pulp out of the opposition in underarm cricket, will be enforcing the same in overarm. Let's see. Saurabh to Aftab. Next ball. This game is no less of action. And another big swing. This time again. Hoiked in the air. Oh, there was a chance again. But Yogesh was running on the opposite end and unfortunately couldn't judge that ball, and the ball is nowhere near him. And 2 runs are taken by Aftab over there. In the meanwhile, 32 is the score which reads at the end of 2 wickets, and this is... We are nearing the end of 4th over. Last ball to go. Aftab once again, a huge swing, wild swing. Once again took the top end of the bat, and fortunate for him that Yogesh couldn't get the judgment on time and the ball was nowhere near him. So like that kind of moments that we have saw from LSG Pravah today in the field. Couple of catches, couple of half chances. This time, swing, and that's gone for a 6. Definitely patted the hands of the fielder on the long on region. Aftab hits the second 6 of the match. Yes, it was dropped. It was quite tough chance. Yeah, the fielder name is Pradeep Sharma over there. He is living his life to the full. He got a couple of chances today. To the visible eye and to the chances that he got was 3. 1 was a half chance. So like that he has lived on the chances. But mind you man, he has made most of it. 2 big 6s. And once again, that's one which went over the rope was also a chance. So he has been given 5 chances today by the opposition. 5 chances. That's a big thing. I think after the innings and after the match, LSG Pravah will definitely have to think something about the fielding. So Ajay Utekar kadun 1001 rupiya if Manas gets 3 wickets. Hat-trick. Hat-trick par 1001 rupiya hai. Meanwhile, Manas to Ashkan. And this time, that was a streaky score. And there you go. Rank misfields are happening. A chance of a run out goes begging. I think today, LSG Pravah have been really sloppy on the field. Drop chances, run out, missed. Lot of things are happening. They need to recover it well in time when their batting comes in. Else, they will be in for a tough time in this tournament. 39 is the score. Full toss to Aftab and he cracks that over the long, and that's another misjudgment over the bouncing rope for 4 runs. Over the boundary rope for 4, 1 bounce. Once again a misjudgment by the fielder. And we have to see what's the call of the umpire, whether it is a no ball. It's not a no ball. It's a legitimate legal delivery. For a moment that we thought it might be called as a no ball for the height it was, but no, umpire calls it as not a no ball, and it's a legitimate delivery. It's a boundary nonetheless. Once again, on the deep square leg region. The fielder is unable to judge the ball. Is it due to the extreme heat that we are able to see once again? This time well ball with mixing the slower ones wisely. Manas beats the batsman and the batsman crossover for a run in the form of a bye. So nonetheless runs are coming. Runs keeps coming for Sankalp, which is a good sign for them. And the main accelerator here at the moment is Aftab. No doubt he has got so many live today, but he has made most out of them and helped Sankalp to recover well. This time a full toss on the deep square leg region for a 4-run. Once again, well played. This time it's a no ball, adding fuel to the fire. Full toss ball, Hoyt cleanly on the deep square leg region. One bounce for 4 runs. Both the brothers are really making it count. No ball, it's a no ball. So no ball, we definitely will be having a free hit. That's very well connected by Ashkan Jamadar. Both the Jamadar players are Jamaifying things here for LSG Sankalp. Jamaifying, and the Pravah team are at the Jamao firing line. Jamao fire and Jamao fire. So Jamadars are Jamao firing for Sankalp and Jamao firing the Pravah team. And this time bounces it well, and it's called as a white ball. Too much of a bounce there. Unfortunately, of no use for the bowling side. Manas Bordela 2 wicket लागोपाठ घेतली तर 1001 रुपया. Ajay Kadun. This time hits it well on the offside, long off region. Amol the Makdum catches hold of the ball and throws it back to the bowler. Restricts the scoring to single. I think the runs slowly, LSG Pravah, they are letting the game slip from their hands. 2 balls to go. 51 runs. 50 runs is up for Sankalp. And this time that was well bowled. Cramped the batsman. But they are clever. They will take 2 runs. The ball just circling around, and 2 runs are in for the take-in for LSG Sankalp. The main anchor, the main hero for Sankalp is Aftab, who's hit 2 boundaries and 2 sixes in his stay so far at the crease. Tremendous batting display. And Ashkan is also no less with the bat. He's proved that. And this time, well played on the leg side. And this time, very well collected by Hardik from the mid-on boundary and throws it back to the keeper. Well collected, only a single. So at the end of the over, the equation stands 5 overs, 54, 2 wickets. है तीसरी विकेट की साझेदारी 9 बॉल 24 रन भाइयों के बीच में बहुत ही अच्छे खेल रहे हैं 32 रन पर खेल रहे हैं आफ्ताब अगर ये 3 6 मारते हैं तो इनको कोई इनाम नहीं मिलेगा लेकिन ये अपना 50 रन मार सकते हैं और पहली ही गेंद यहां पर बाउंस फेंकते हुए वाइड बॉल करार दिया है लेग अंपायर ने तो अतिरिक्त के रन रूप पर 1 रन बढ़ता हुआ डोक्याच्या वरती गेले की व्हाईट बॉलचा इशारा असतं. Let's see the next ball by Rishabh to Aftab. Dances down the track. This time handsomely hit all the way over the head of commentator's head for a huge six. Mind-blowing shot by Aftab. He needs 2 more sixes. If he gets that 2 sixes, are there any awards? No. But he will be hitting his half century. Fantastic shot display by Aftab. That was the shot of the day from the commentator's angle over the head of the commentator, thanks to the roof that we have. Else the ball would have been on our head today and we would have been in a hospital nearby. 70 is the projected score. Just mind you, we were couple of overs back. The projected score was 52 runs. And now the scoreboard just spikes up and shows a projected total of 70 runs. It's mind-blowing. Aftab is on 38. Can Aftab hit that 2 sixes? Can he be the first batsman today to hit a half century? Mind you, 44 is the highest score so far. Scored by Vivek Singh. From ground, 5 sixes he had, towering sixes in that match, the very first game. This time Aftab connects really well and the score all the way for a huge six. Mind-blowing batting display by Aftab. Absolute cinema going on here. Aftab is relentless. Back-to-back sixes for this guy. And the bowling side is saying, Trahimam, Trahimam. The last ball is ball. Someone will have to inspire Prava. Next ball to Aftab by. Oh, that was really well mixed up. Slower one. Aftab doesn't take a single. Ashkan wanted a single. और छोटे भाई को फिर से भेज दिया. बोला आप नीचे ही रहिए. हम खेलेंगे आखिर के 3 बॉल और तीनों के तीनों हम सीमा रेखा पार करने की कोशिश करेंगे. Absolute cinema, absolutely cinema. This is how you make most of the life that is given to you. Today, as I was saying previously, Aftab got 6 chances. 6 chances he got. He was deprived 6 times in the form of poor fielding or a run-out chances. But then, see what he's doing right now to the LSG Prava side. He's really lifting the morale of Sankalp. And that's a wide ball. Wide ball. It's a no ball also called by the umpire. No ball. So they will be calling it as a first as a no ball. Yes, it was a wide to the visible eye, but it was a second bouncer of the over. So umpire had to call it as a no ball, and that will result into a free hit. 3 ball बाकी है. 68 is the score. This time it's a slower one, but let's see what's happening. And that's crossed again for a huge 6 by none other than Aftab. And he cracks the first half century of this tournament. Bloody blow to LSG Prava. And this time on the offside, this is a wonderful batting display of Aftab, and that clears the long off region for another 6. Enterprising batting display by this man. Match defining inning by Aftab. And this time, oh, another one. You can't catch hold of this. Another 6. It's 4 balls, 4 sixes of this over for Aftab there. Losing the toss, put into bat by Prava, scored 86 runs, 2 wickets, and the anchor of the innings is Aftab, 26 balls, 63. And he hit 7 sixes and 2 boundaries. 7 sixes, mind you. He got 6 chances while on batting, and he made most of it and scored 7 sixes. That's what a champion batter always makes a statement with. Apart from that, we don't see any much contribution coming from other batters because it was a one-sided batting domination, and today it's all about Aftab. He's a man of the moment today for Sankalp. If Sankalp have to progress through the next stage of the tournament, it will be Aftab who will be anchoring them. And boy, he delivered in the first game, 63 runs. It has to be a match-defining innings. Now, we have to see if LSG Prava have someone in the rank to do something similar what Aftab did. Not impossible, but you need to play your skins out to get this target hunted down. A big chase coming up shortly. 87 to win in 36 balls, not at all difficult. You have got 6 overs to do it, which means 36 balls. It's a matter of 12 sixes that can get you close. 12 sixes in 36 balls. Very much doable if you have a good batting in your rank. So यहाँ पर देखते हैं ओपनिंग साझेदारी कौन निभाते हैं for LSG Prava. That was really enterprising and entertaining knock by Aftab. Well played, Aftab. Really well played. You have to say that you need to feel sorry for Ashkan, who was on the non-striker's end. He couldn't get any ball to play. That was really heartbreaking.
सात सिक्स मारा 7 सिक्सेस क्या कर रहा थैंक यू आ नहीं रहा हाथ में सुभाष है ना
स्ट्राइक पर है सागर, जो करेंगे इनके टीम का होप्स उजागर.
नॉन स्ट्राइकर कौन है? सुभाष.
नॉन स्ट्राइकर इज सुभाष मते. ध्रुव मिश्रा.
ये समोसा खत्म, मेरे को एक भी नहीं मिला यार.
Samosa less day today for the commentator. Samosa less day. Sagar, Dilip Mishra to Sagar. The very first ball, it's well ball, and we have to see it's a white ball. Not a good start of the innings for Sankalp. White ball, 2 runs on the board without any ball. So chasing 87 runs, which is a daunting task in 6 overs. And this time, a huge appeal for caught behind. Umpire doesn't seem to be interested. Dot ball. And this time, dot ball. Dilip Mishra to Subhash Mate. And this time, the ball was hit somewhere. There was some noise, but not a wicket. Hit on the body and went to the keeper. So the keeper is none other than Aftab. What an innings that was. Aftab was just mind-blowing today. Mind-blowing. It's very good to see a batsman lifting the morale of a team like that. Mind you, Sankalp were just 1 for no loss at the end of 1 over, and then they came up with a score of 86 runs at the end of 6 overs. What kind of an innings that was. All the 30 runs came in the last over. It's a white ball. Meanwhile, the next ball is a wide and also is a 1 bounce call. समय बज रहे हैं 12. समय बज रहा है 12. कहां है फुट फ्रॉम रारा? And this time, that's played on the leg side. Very well played by Subhash Mate. Planning to get a second and oh! Sagar Salvi from Rara. समय बज रहा है अभी तक 12. भूख लग रहा है यारा. This time, and that's played well by Sagar, and that's gone all the way for a 4. That's very well played. 8 runs on the board, 4 balls ball. Run rate 14.8 is the required run rate. 4 ball हो चुके हैं, 8 run on the board, and batting on strike is Sagar. This time on the leg side, it's on the legs, and that's very well collected by the fielder on the fine leg region. A single results nonetheless. 5 balls ball, 9 runs. Eventful over from Dilip Mishra. बहुत ही अच्छी bowling. And this time well played, well connected by Subhash Mate, and that's fielded really well fielding by the bowler, by the fielder, running all the way from the long on region, restrict the scoring for 2 runs, and the fielder is none other than Akhil. Akhil is also a very tremendous all-rounder, bowling all-rounder. यहाँ के योगा गुरु माने जाते हैं अखिल, अखिलेंद्र यादव. Reddy bhai, please come on the stage for a toss. Wherever you are, or his team members are there, inform Reddy that the next match is going to be his. So please be ready for the toss. Reddy, please be ready for the toss. Meanwhile, Ashkan the Jamadar. Ashkan the Jamadar is the bowler. 3 विकेट लेने पर अशकान जमादर, 3 विकेट लेने पर 501 रुपए मिलेगा आपको बाय अजय. अशकान जमादर 3 विकेट निकालने पर आपको मिलेगा हैट्रिक लेने का कौतुक मेरे तरफ से।
12 समोसा आपके तरफ से मुझे।
And the very first ball of Ashkan to Sagar, and this time on the offside, very well played, and that results into a dot ball. Every dot ball will be very interesting and crucial for both the sides, and every dot ball will mean a nail in coffin for LSG Prabha. Meanwhile, they need 76 in 29 balls. Again, not impossible, but they really need to accelerate. Someone needs to step in like what Aftab did. They need a big over, like the last over when LSG Sankalp was batting. Required run rate, meanwhile, soars up to 16 runs per over. That's huge. And this time, that's very well balled by Ashkan. The scoring is, and this time, very good running between the wickets. And that's 2 runs. Very good running between the wickets there. Time for toss. टॉस का बॉस का टॉस। यूट्यूब वाले प्लीज कैमरामैन एंगल यहां पर घुमाइए, टॉस होने वाला है। यूट्यूब भाई
आप उधर जाओ ना।
यूट्यूब वाले प्लीज कैमरा यहां पर घुमा दीजिए टॉस के लिए, स्टेज की तरफ। एंड मीनवाइल द इवेंट्स अनफोल्डिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, द गोइंग गेट्स रियली टफ फॉर एलएसजी प्रवाह। एलएसजी प्रवाह का प्रवाह सफल नहीं हो रहा, यहां पर रन्स आते हुए नहीं दिख रहे हैं। एक बहुत ही बड़े इनिंग्स की यहां पर उन्हें है आवश्यकता। बहुत ही अच्छा शॉट ऑन दी ऑफ साइड, लॉन्ग ऑफ पर है फील्डर तैनात। दिलीप मिश्रा थे फील्डर। इनका पार्ट टाइम में केले का बिजनेस भी है। अली भाई के साथ ये थोड़ा केले का बिजनेस भी करते हैं। और वो 35 प्लस के टूर्नामेंट इनको जो केला दिया गया था वो उसके बाद शी ऐसा करके बाहर आ गए थे, हमें ये केला नहीं चाहिए। तो उनको सब डिजाइन भी पता है केले का, वो केले के डिजाइनर एक्चुअली। और ऑफ साइड पर बहुत ही अच्छा शॉट, यहां पर रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट्स में थोड़ी सी मिसकम्युनिकेशन। हालांकि भाग्यशाली रहे कि वहां पर
बैटवर्ड्स तो यूज नहीं किया ना।
And meanwhile, let's have a look at this ball, and this time top edge, and that's taken. A very good catch by Aftab, and that was very good delivery by Ashkan. Ball by Ashkan, caught taken by Aftab. घर का माहौल बनता हुआ क्रिकेट के मैदान पर, बहुत ही अच्छा विकेट। यहां पर पहला विकेट का झटका लगता हुआ फॉर एलएसजी प्रवाह in the form of Subhash Mate, and the new batsman in is Pradeep Sharma. 16 for 1 at the end of 2 overs. The scoreboard reads 16 for 1 at the end of 2 overs.
बॉलर नेम
Chandrakant is a new bowler. Chandrakant Salunke.
पे कौन है?
स्ट्राइक पे है सागर.
Sagar, the man on strike. On the non-strike is Pradeep Sharma. The scoreboard reads 2 overs 16 for 1. The required run rate is 17.7. Almost 18 runs per over is what they need. 4 overs are remaining. They need a big innings from either of these two players in the middle right now.
हो गया टॉस.
ये कौन जीता? ये राम क्या है इसका टीम का नाम?
चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स का.
And this time, the very first ball, it's been adjudged as a white ball by the umpire. Extras coming up. 1 run. Very second ball this time played on the leg side. Just taking singles and doubles will not help the cause of the team. They really need big hits coming up if they want to have any realistic hope of making a comeback in this match.
सांगितलं नाही सांगितलं फॅन येते.
Very well poised for Sankalp in this game, and this time over the fine leg area for a 4 runs, and no chance, absolutely no chance for anyone to get the ball. 1 bounce on the wicket for 4 over the long third.
अच्छा अगला रेड्डी और राम का मैच है क्या?
बॉल दे तिथला एक.
कितना बॉल कितना है?
2.2 was 22 for 1. We are in the third over.
अमोल भाऊ तिथला बॉल द्या खालचा. पिशवीतला काढून. मी बघ तू मार तिकडे मस्ती मारू दे ते काय रस्ते आहेत. तू मागच आहे ना 6.5 करोड.
The very next ball, it's been played very well on the onside for 4 runs. Deep mid on area, it's been from the blade of LSG Pravah.
बॉल आणखीन एक टाका तिकडे. हरवला नाही. तो पसंत नाहीये. पसंत नाहीये त्याला.
Ball में changes and interesting to see how much runs can come off this over, and that can definitely be a defining moment in this game. We are just in the third over and still no ground is lost for LSG Pravah. If they keep getting 4s and 6s, I think soon they can be in this game. 2.3 overs, 26 for 1, 3 balls to go. And this time that's played really well by Pradeep Sharma. And opportunity could have been there by Ashkan. Suddenly, we are able to see some events happening for LSG Prava. 2.4 overs, 30 for 1. हाँ हाँ ठीक है ठीक है. और इस बार उठाकर खेल दिया है 6 रन के लिए. यहां पर प्रदीप शर्मा के बैट से आता हुआ 6 रन के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा. They need to win. In 3 overs. Yes, it's doable. Those 2 sixes have lifted the morale of LSG Prava. It has done a good world of really good for LSG Prava. 2 sixes by Pradeep Sharma. Absolute belting. He hit 3 boundaries in a row and those 2 sixes. Something like what Aftab did earlier on when LSG Sankalp were batting. And the same heroics now repeated by Pradeep Sharma. Ashkan bringing up his second over and he will be bowling to Sagar. ओह हल्का सा एज किया था वहां पर आफ्ताब के हाथों से गेंद छुटती हुई. So every chance, every half chance also gets counted as a chance when a very good batsman is on the middle. It's a one bounce call by the leg umpire. So let's get started. बहुत ही अच्छी शॉट यहां पर प्रदीप शर्मा के बल्ले से निकलता हुआ लॉन्ग ऑन रीजन पर यहां पर हल्की सी मिसफील्ड और बैट्समैन क्रॉस कर चुके हैं 2 रन के लिए. नाउ they need some runs like this. 2 runs and occasionally a boundary or a 6 can definitely do a world of good for LSG Prava. Oh, बहुत ही अच्छी गेंद यहां पर. भाग्यशाली रहे कि वहां स्टंप्स को नहीं लगी प्रदीप के, वरना एक और विकेट की पतन हो सकती थी. And this time that's a nick. We are waiting for the umpire's call. Both umpires not sure and they will be deciding amongst themselves whether it is a wicket or no. The main umpire was not sure. He is taking the consultation of the leg umpire to decide whether it's a wicket. And the umpire raises his finger. Pradeep Sharma has to walk back to the pavilion. Very good delivery by Ashkan. And Pradeep Sharma was going great guns for his side. And the batsman crossover for 2 runs. There's a very good hit at the non-striker's end,
रन आउट का रिव्यू
but not out given by the umpire.
ये रन आउट का रिव्यू नहीं है क्या
कितना बॉल हो गया?
वो लो ना
जाओ दे जाने दो अभी जाने दो लास्ट बॉल है अभी
1 ball to go. बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग, बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग, लाजवाब बॉलिंग की स्पेल अशकान जमादार.
लास्ट का ओवर पूरा गेम घुमा दिया ना लास्ट ओवर
Oh, all the players are misleading the commentators.
सुना क्या
क्या?
सुनो वो अनाउंस करो
तो यहाँ हुआ, यहाँ पर जो लीडिंग रन स्कोरर है, मिनिमम 100 रन है वो क्राइटेरिया के लिए, उनको बेस्ट बैट्समैन करार दिया जाएगा और वी स्पोर्ट्स से बैट दिया जाएगा. Meanwhile, a run is being crossed over. Again, they are in a situation where they need 6s and 4s. 1s and 2s will not work. Such was the impact of that over by Ashkan. He brought back his side back into the contest with that bloody blow. That was a huge deflection by Aftab. It's a no ball call by the umpire. So 2 runs will be coming in this ball without a legitimate count of the delivery.
अजून एक होईल नंतर यांच्याबरोबरच आहे.
फ्री हिट है फ्री हिट है डेड बॉल था ना लेकिन हाँ फ्री हिट कंटिन्यू ना नो बॉल था ना इससे फ्री हिट कंटिन्यू बोलो
The free it is continue. उठा कर खेल दिया यहां पर और सीमा रेखा पार 6 रन के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा शॉट. वाइड बॉल का इशारा.
अरे वा धन्यवाद फॅन आलेले
आला हो लय गरम होतंय पहिल्यांदाच करायला पाहिजे होतं पण तुम्ही केलं नाही
केलं ना पण आठवलं केलं ना
आठवले
इकडे काय ना असं मागे एक असा देव इकडे
और यहां पर एक विकेट गिरता हुआ बहुत ही अच्छा कैच. That's a dot ball. 28 runs to win of the last over.
आता मागे घेतला ना तर तुला पण हवा येईल आणि इकडे पण बॅटर कोण आले
Rishabh and Amol will be the batters in the middle for this last over. They need 28 runs more to win. So somewhere that last over proved to be very decisive, where 32 runs came off the bowling of the last over of LSG Prava. I think that is a turning point. Well, Akhil is a bowler, the bowling all-rounder in LSG cricket circuit, takes up the bowling duties for the last over. 29 to defend, 28 to defend. और ऑफ साइड पर बहुत ही अच्छा शॉट उठाकर खेल दिया है 6 रन के लिए. बहुत ही अच्छा शॉट. पार अमोल मखदूम के बल्ले से निकलता हुआ 6 रन. Five balls 22 to win. 5 balls 22. उठाकर खेल दिया यहां पर और इस टाइम कैच पकड़ लिया है वहां पर महेश सनप ने. डीप स्क्वायर लेग रीजन पर एक कैच आता हुआ और इसी प्रकार से अमोल मखदूम वापस चलते हुए पेविलियन पर, बट नॉट बिफोर having hit a 6 and he went for another. Unfortunately couldn't get hold of the bat on ball and walks back to pavilion. Meanwhile LSG Sankalp inching closer towards that victory. Saurabh is the batsman. New batsman in Saurabh. 4 balls 22 to win. 4 sixes. Can Saurabh do it? Can Saurabh do it for LSG Prava? जो बैट्समैन हैं उनके लिए अनाउंसमेंट है, 4 6 मारेंगे तो वी स्पोर्ट्स से एक बैट मिलेगा. 4 6 मार के मैच जीताया, वी स्पोर्ट से एक मैच आपको. और ये गया है यहां पर देखेंगे कि so it's a boundary and the announcement says intact 3 balls 3 sixes. If the batsman hit 3 sixes, a bat is तो देखते हैं गेम कितना रोमांचक होता है. Oh, hit it well, but not that well. He wanted a 6 to keep his team in the game, in the contest. But they take only 2 runs, and more or less the match seat, the fate of this game is more or less sealed in favor of LSG Sankalp. 2 balls to go, 16 to win. Commentary box will change for the next match. I am going home for